right beside the gully. And two of them. One supposed to be here, so I want a little bit up further. One day here, so I want the up little further on that side.
Okay, yeah man, me I take time go down. Yeah, alright, sir. Hey, do it.
Some peeps, what did just do? At the entrance of the plantation, peeps, we find the plantation. We find the plantation and come like it humongous, like it big. Will you follow me? Yeah, guys. This is the plantation. And also,
See him, sir.
see a building structure, guys. Yeah, way up in the hills today, now.
Yeah.
It's amazing for the people that come live here. Come put them out. Yeah, this are the great house.
It's a piece more up there, sir. See ya, guys.
Guys, our biggest plantation find this, and this are the one. Yo! Come in, Akim. We have to go in there. Watch here. And the plantation there. Old, you know?
Yeah, old. See ya, guys. Hold on. Hello.
Yeah, like some underground.
Yeah.
Hey, peeps, this big, you know. And guess what? It did fancy, you know. I know I said it fancy. Come here, Akim, let me show you something. Look on the wall. You would think it's modern wall, but then look. It's a stone wall, you know. Finished to perfection. So beautiful. You can imagine when this did up and running. Now I'll show you one step around at the front. So first, peeps, this is our biggest plantation find, you know. One of the houses, you know, and guess what? We have find all of the houses them together because one more right, it's a shape. One more right up there, so peeps. Come like the house of an underground, like it have a lower floor. Look. Really huge. And it seems like them somebody they take it over and build it in the modern days, you know. You see that though?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That and a block, a stone,
And stone.
Whoa! Hey, guys, it's fabulous. You can imagine in the building that is up and running. Look on the finish. Look on the finish, peeps. Look on it. But check out the block. It's stone. Whoa! Peeps, this is our biggest plantation find. Yes, this is our biggest plantation find. I'll go for the next one. This I'm gonna document. I'm so goddamn excited right now. We're gonna document this, the find, and then we can know the information about it. Come go for the next house. So guys, come in here. Guys, we're downstairs in the basement. Right? This are the main entrance, you know, as you notice, you know. This are the main entrance going upstairs. This are the ground floor. This was a mansion, peeps. A very great mansion back in them days there. Because if it's so big right now, can you imagine? And then the stone finish. Oh God. Hey. Guys, this is our biggest plantation. Yeah, it's far. I'm not gonna lie, that one is far. But yeah. Thank you all for the support, because I feel like it's not far, I feel like you're dead with me.
Yeah, man, like you can see, alright, see a spot after where you can see the whole foundation.
Yeah.
And you see one whole cup around this up.
True.
You see what I say?
True, true.
Oh yeah, go to you know, you just go to and view the whole road.
Yes. Oh. Babes, a journey and a normal. So me I eat 2 mango. Dog, I say you sit down in the ground?
Yes, I'm tired. Your seat is not up here though. That give you a big seat.
Alright, one big seat, sit down anywhere.
Anyway.
Alright. Guys, I just want to say thank you to the sponsors, persons who have been supporting Elite Jamaica. Akeem, how you sit down there, so that up, you see? Oh, 10 million miles, you know? And him talk like a Ryan round in little finger right there, so. Jeez. Jano. I swear upon Selassie big too. It's far. Steel this, you know? Peeps, we will come up a while ago and now pay attention. Because we look for the great house, no? It was trying to get peeps. We saw it one.
No.
Careful of hole in our teeth. Don't fall them. Sorry people from along with. This was a humongous castle. Will you see what? You know actually.
Yeah.
Stop camera. Here peeps, we find the house and that, up there so peeps, that is just a part of it. Let me show you something guys. Look here. We found it guys. I'm not sure if for the house this way in or for the cemetery this way actually in. But Akeem, come on. See you afraid of the cemetery? Hold this to me please. So guys, this is the foundation of the great house. Our third great house find. So guys, it seemed that a part was over here. Because this is one of the walls. Come on, let's get it from here. Get it from the other side. Yeah guys, we found it guys. So now all we need to find is the cemetery. This is a part of the house also. Yeah peeps, a part of the house this. So this is ruins of the great house. Alright. So I'm gonna look to see if I can find any remains of the cemetery right now. So guys, we found the third great house, a part of it. I can't get to size it up because it's overgrown. I'm gonna come equipped. But I'm gonna try find the grave them. If I can find the grave them, then I can be sure. Alright, see the next part here peeps. Akeem, hold this to me please. Let me look over there up yourself for the grave them. Peeps, this a piece more of the structure. See, I told you guys it was a very large structure. Alright? But we never showed the location. And you see if we are come to go a wake field and the man say around here and this is it. So like over there, I'm just going to look and find the graves them. Because the graves could provide a lot of information because I heard there are inscriptions on them. So follow me up here. Peeps, you know them location is always set one way. There's no one coming in this location at time at all, but just look over there. It's like a party has been kept. The grass dead and all of that. That's where the house was, you know, peeps. Come up here and get it from a better angle of view. The grass dead, right where the house was, all of the grass just dead. Nothing can grow. I think there's an underground there. I think someone concrete there. But guys, as soon as the metal detector comes, then we'll find out what they underneath this up here. So it's a very large goddamn house, peeps. Oh my god. This now have me scared. Yeah, one turn back, Akeem.
Yeah.
I don't think if they're saying that.
Yeah.
Come in, Steve. Come in. At the cemetery way in that. I don't think if they're saying. Peeps, look here. Look here. At the Great House. This is one of the wickedest Great House mansion in a St. Thomas from what I have heard. And right now we find it, and I think we have just found the cemetery. Look, peeps. So it's a goddamn mansion.
Church.
So guys, I am suspecting the cemetery somewhere around here. Why the closest place is here. This is a room. Okay, so I'm telling you for the house, the underground, part of the underground. This is a room, you know, please. It's a room, this, you know. Yeah, catch it?
Yeah.
Come here, son, catch it. It's a room that deep. Yeah, that hurt me, dog. Yeah, that. Guys, this is a rather serious find. Alright? This is a very serious find. This is one of the wickedest great house ever in a St. Thomas. And we'll find it. It was destroyed a long time ago, you know, before the rest of them, because the people them did, you know, I know them did burn it or something like that. But this is one of the wickedest great houses ever. This is a great find. Alright? I'm going to try to go up this way now. Watch it all I see. When you know me now come here about that thing. I think of the cemetery that up this time. I want to go up this way. Yeah guys, so we found the great house. This is like another room. It seems that they build their rooms down, or I'm not sure. But we found our third great house. I mean, if really, sister, me need a drone now to size up all of them buildings here. Because if you take notice of this now, please. Take notice of this. This is the house that we're in. Look, there's a wall out over there, saying, peeps. I'm not going to really venture far in another structure here, as me I get a different kind of feeling. Alright, this is the house that we're in. Yeah, but me just think that this was a fort still now, but them said this was a great house, and it was one of the wickedest great house in Jamaica. Seems that there were steps there, or a gate or something like that. Yeah, so guys, this location will be documented and we will return to this location, but as of now, we need to take some precautions and leave from here. Alright? Yeah man, Akeem, come for the camera. I can get out of that. Yeah peeps, so yeah, I'm more excited now, cause yeah, that thing I'm gonna find it. So, you know me like click my location, but me get the go ahead for film. So me I film. That was some of the structure? Oh! I see what I'm going for true. This is a part of the wall.
Part of the wall where the builder original. You can see it on the top of this, sir.
Yeah.
Or the builder
Oh, a piece of the wall at over there, so too?
Yeah,
May I go over there, man? Peeps, come here, peeps. A real thing, you know, man. See the peeps? See, hey, it was here, peeps. This is a part of the house. And I just part of it, this. Just part of it, peeps. So you know, we'll find it. So you know, tomorrow, peeps, we'll have to come back and get real footage and all of that. Because me done, it's almost 6 o'clock. Me close to home still. Hey, see, I told you guys we're going to find one of our greatest finds. You know, and this is just one room at the great house. You know, I need a metal detector, peeps. Like, seriously, me I forget one of them there. Alright. Yo, so no more. Oh, wow, the wall go further up, bro. Right up. Right on to the end, though. Because this thing big enough, peeps. Me I tell you, so the whole, almost the whole community, you know. One big piece of the community, you know. Me I go through the bush. Me I show you this. What me not drop no hole. Right round, peeps. It gone right up in the bush. So, guys, we're gonna come back tomorrow. We have to come back tomorrow. But you know, me I go around at the pyramid today. But we have to come back tomorrow, come see all of these peeps. Like, seriously. And here what? Friends and family, when you don't share the video to nobody when you forget it yet until we come back and see this. Because we have to see this first, don't peep? Yeah, I wanna not even know I'm excited now. No. I tell you, say this will be one of our greatest finds. You know, this is a great house, one of the largest great house in a St. Thomas, one of the largest great houses, you know, peeps, in a St. Thomas, you know, and everybody live here and them don't know it there, you know. No one knows about it, and this is just part of the structure. You know, we'll come back tomorrow, we'll go up in the bush, and we'll look, and we want to perimeter it up and know how large it was. We want to know how big it was, and we want to get the exact size. And then after that, we can try to find out about the room, them, the door, and all of that. Alright? If you want to support that, type search in the comment section, peeps. And here we go on. I want to big up the guide will show me where this located. Big up, brother. What your name?
Me name Kirk, you know.
Kirk. Yeah, you have nobody where you want to shout out overseas or nothing like that because I'm watch the video?
Well, I big up a friend them over there always know used to go on the corner, but they're too bored them on the corner with you, but love and strength, you see it.
Alright.
You know,
bro, big up, you know, man, and thank you for showing me this, you know.
Yes, man.
Alright, watch your two, man. You have a phone?
No, right now.
You not on a phone?
No, right.
Because I send $1,000 credit, you know.
You see, alright, my brother.
Alright, you have a family member me can send it on them phone?
Yeah, man, you can check around the yard.
Or you have to bring me around there still, no?
Yeah, man, we have to go back around.
Go on, yeah, man. Respect for that, bro.
Yeah, man, we have better circle.
Because I know you good want to contact all the people them are foreign and them things there, so the credit, you see me?
Yes, man.
And my subscribers, me really appreciate you guys who donate credit to Elite Jamaica. Because, yeah, you know, a lot of people, and not just me, and not just the channel, where benefit, you know, where help people. Because I tell you, I'm all about helping people. It's not about me. Me never start YouTube for money, or for my country, or for my parish. Yeah, you see me? Peeps, my phone just got 15%. But, yeah, I don't know, I know if I control that, so I have to go around the pyramid, and I have to go find it back. And, yeah. But, you know, we're coming back tomorrow, guys. Yeah, go on, bro. Yeah, man, so, see?
Yeah, man.
Mom, you're not on camera right now. You have a problem with going on camera? If you have phone to send a credit pan? No, you get $500 credit, you know. But you have to dip on camera, you know. Okay, so she know all the credit. Oh, she'll come? Alright. Yeah, peeps, so, wow, beautiful flowers, and I see that. Natalie Cousins, you always say I should show you the flowers. That's a Joseph coat. I don't really know the name like that. Yeah, but that's so beautiful. I'm sending you $500 credit, alright? Yeah, I'm supposed to send it to Kirk's phone, but not no phone. So I'm sending it to your phone. So may I do it off cam. Nobody now get a number or nothing like that, alright? Peeps, may I do that and then me get back to you. So I told you that was gonna be one of our largest finds, though. Yeah, man, we'll come back tomorrow. But may I go on the pyramid now. And yeah. Uncle, we find it, you know. Big up here. Yeah, man.
Starboy.
Starboy, your name. Alright, people, me type Starboy in the comment. Big up Starboy, is it? Because you tell me who to go to find the place. And we'll find out where I look for, is it?
Yeah.
Alright, so bless up. Yeah, man. Guys, me find the great house, as you know, yeah. But today I saw I talk to one of my classmates, because you know how it go. I haven't been in this community for a while. I'm telling you, say, boy, I'm a grew up now. But I left her from about when I was 12. So, we saw one primary school classmate, and I that talk. So right now, I try to show the pyramid. And yeah, I'm telling you, so today I'll go be one of our greatest finds, you know. And we still not uncover nothing yet, don't. I know I'm gonna love it. Alright, so yeah, you know, follow me. Guys, we are going through the pathway. We go back to the pyramid, we batch that 9%. So, yeah, round there we are going. One go to try time you, can you see this?
You grass over myself when you get leaked.
Anyway, sir. Peeps, we in the bush. I got the pyramid now. Yeah. That's how if we can find it back. Because them things are kind of superstitious, you know. Where them hard to find. Oh, what is? Oh, one tree. Alright, we are almost reach. I think we are almost reach. Can remember that track here. Yeah. But peeps, you know, so one wall there. Look, you know, look. Can you see that? Can you see that? Part of the great house. Can you see that? We'll come back tomorrow. We got the pyramid now. Alright? Yeah, man, we got the pyramid. And I feel afraid. Yeah, man. You know. Yeah, the great house is there for true. I walk on the stone them from them time. I can't really show that now. Because I'm battery low. I'm going to reach up here. So is it? Yeah, man. You follow me, Akim. Yeah, peeps. I don't see it yet. Oh, yeah, I see it. Jesus Christ, I feel in the peeps. My blood run cold. The thing look white. How it looks so? It changed color, peeps. It changed color. Right, that one for the persons who haven't seen the video. Subscribe to Elite Jamaica, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to Elite Jamaica Vlogs and subscribe. It's part of the great house up there, so the wall, peeps. Yeah, man, we're on to something, peeps. This is one of our biggest finds, and this is going to be one of the biggest finds at 2020, I think. Like, seriously, it's a big great house, and I don't know what this is, but yeah. So we'll find back part of the wall. This is one of the middle part of the wall. And now we'll go straight across over the column them was still standing. And follow them there and see if we can size it up from this. Alright, so come with. Bro, I'm gonna catch this up. Bro. Give me the camera. Guys. Wanna see? Wanna see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that down there, sir? Well, I'm going to go close and I can see it. Because this is no joke, you know, guys. And the same house, this, you know, peeps. The same goddamn house, this, you know. Alright? That's one of the big column, them. You see me? That's one of the big column, them. I'm going to go closer. Because when I always have enough afraid. So right now, this is one of the big column, them. Yo, come on the camera there. Peeps, we have to size up this thing. That's an arch, you know. You know, it's not an aqueduct. Don't get me wrong. That's a doorway, peeps. All right, that's a doorway. One next one over there, so I'm gonna see one down there, so down at the next side, but it's smaller. Hold this me up, please. So, guys, as you notice, this I have to touch it, peeps. This a part of the great house. Stop the camera and take a picture. Yeah, peeps, we are size up the house. So this is one big column, alright? People do not even know how be excited to find it, you know? This is a piece. So guys, the wall this is the house, you know, peeps. The wall this. The wall this, peeps. And then it look like a great car. I don't know where the rest of it is. the wall underground. And then, come on. See? Catch that. See, so you see that? Like there was an entrance right there. You know? Like one entrance there right there. So come with me. Look here again. Peeps. When I really realize how fine, we find it, and we have to right to the next wall. Entrance wheel. Alright? This is an entrance wheel right here. This is an entrance wheel. You see? It's straight. Alright? This is straight. This is an entrance wheel. And it's like it was an arch also. Alright? You know, follow me. That's the cupboard doesn't have to. So now we reach where we really see some part of the house. Alright? National Geographic, don't contact me, please. So a wall was right here, please. You catch a wall there, too?
Yeah.
Right up to the tree. Alright, come on. See, with the inner the house, maybe with the inner one of the room them, or something. It was a mansion, peeps. Look at the columns. Look at the columns, peeps. So guys, this looked like it was like a hall, like a really great hall, because you have them entrance way. Guys, it's not an aqueduct. Alright, Akeem, catch that. It's not an aqueduct. I'm really figure say it's not an aqueduct already, because nothing is on top like a water used to run. And then you have the entrance and you still have a next wall out there. Come to show them. See guys, now you still have the next side of the house out there. That would be like the back alley, the back galley of the house. You know those houses back then, they had this big back part of the house. Now them here, it's not aqueducts. If you notice, the middle is cut out. Alright, it's a column. Alright. So come, I could try to size up that thing here. And this seems as if it's gone right back across. You peeps, the wall gone right back across. And this is a line, I can't go upon people's property like that. But guys, I have to do it. Guys, the walls still come up. Alright. I'm not see the next corner wall them, and I don't want to venture too far from people's property. So I'm going to find the next one them down in the yard. That's the far corner, the right corner, that's the one we see the other day. and me I go follow them on there because this is the back wall. We see the side wall them over there, so we're gonna look for the next side over there, so and the front piece. Alright? Peeps, we get lost. And guess what happened? Well, I go through one truck and go through one yard, and I ask the lady if I can walk through a yard if I get lost. I never realized, say, at the next corner wall, not the right corner, you know, but I one of the column them this will buck up and again. And it's right in the middle of this lady's yard. Look there. Look the peeps, look on the size of construction with the there. You see that? And it's not the top height that. Because she said it get mashed up, no? But look at it. Look at it. And then watch the dog Akeem. And then peeps, we have inside here. We have inside. This look like how come yesterday. The house is so large, peeps, not even remember when the day yesterday from when we never there. And peeps, when you look on the construction, how them build the house, peeps. Them stone here, I have to touch it still now. I have to touch it. Guys, this was humongous. And find it. This is one of the biggest great house in a St. Thomas. And we have proof, and we can see that because it's on video. Alright? So our next little piece right there, this look like this is a room in a peeps. That's one of the corner wall coming around. Then you have the corner there. Then it come around. You have that corner. And then it come right back to that corner. You see it? And then you have here. Well, if a dog that no bro. Then you have there where go back round. This is like a step. I'm wondering if these were built for giants, because them really big. You step them. Hold him. Watch him. Guys, this is really huge. We can't venture into those persons' yard. So, but you get the size though. So guys, the next time we come here, we don't know what we are going to do. May I bring tape measure. And by then, may I have a metal detector. You see it? Because this is untouched. Nobody never come here so yet. Them don't know about it, and persons are living right in the vicinity. Right in the middle of the house. We're in a place called New Monkland in St. Thomas. And I am going in search of a slavery plantation and estate mansion, which is in a place called Duckworth. Alright, that's also in St. Thomas. Now the other day I made a really great find. The other day I found a 1804 estate mansion with aqueduct and water mill. Now when I was researching the find, I realized that that house that I found, it may have been small, which it is really large, but it was the small one. Now there is the plantation where the larger house is supposed to be. Now this house was supposed to be made in 1706. I mean, it's in the community. No one even realizes that it's there. But I think we'll go through some bush still. So yeah, I mean Akeem there, and we have one place called New Monkland, but a banana river this. Is it? Yeah man. We'll find it. We'll find the aqueduct, and guess what? Come like we find one of the mill house. Come closer. Come like we find one of the water mill house. We find the aqueduct peeps. Yeah? And we're going to follow it and find the house. Now, that's a part of the house right there, so we're going to go over there. Peeps. I don't like going to people's yard, and I know that. But I'm going to do it. I'm dropping a hole here. Yeah guys, so this is part of the aqueduct. Alright? Look on the window then. Over there, so look over there, so you see that piece? Circle with me. Yeah guys, this is part of the aqueduct. Yeah man, this. So let me see if we can follow it or if we can see no more. You know, come with me. Yeah, peeps, so come like at the end of this. So if this is the end, then we have to go that way there to find the rest of it. So that's what we are going to do. And guys, this is a rather great find again because we find the connection. So we could find the house. You know, come with me. Come now. Mine drop. So guys, all of this over here, see if we can catch it again. All of this over here, guys, seem to have been like, I don't know, a dam. I think it was a house. Because I'm gonna show you the aqueduct, guys. There's the aqueduct there. You know? There's the aqueduct up there. So then over here, so over here seems to have been a pump house or a water mill or something like that. So make us see what we find out. Because we like see for ourselves, no? You know, come, follow me, please. Because you do not even know how me excited right now. Trust me, you're not excited like me. Don't drop in our team. We don't have no insurance. You know already, dog. Stop the camera and take a picture. We find the next piece of aqueduct. So that means that the house is close by. So we are going to look for it. Don't look here. Don't look behind me. You see that behind me? You see that though? You will find the next part of the aqueduct. And then you see that, guys. That down there. That seems to be a house or something. But I've got someone like doing the research for me who really help me. And Carbon, you're an angel. I love you, you know. I swear. But anyway, we're going to find out though. Yeah, guys. So come with it, because there's a wall right there, you know, so it seems as if there's a building right here. Yeah, so make us see what I want. All right, guys, we find it, we really find it. This is the aqueduct. See it up there, so and the aqueduct that. And guess what, we never spend 5 hours a walk for nothing at all, because we find the aqueduct and we're gonna follow it. Because the house is close by. I'm not sure if we're standing in the house right now, because we could be standing in the house. And Nikki, Carbon, you know, some feel like the pictures that we have for the house, it could be this house, this plantation that we're on right now. Watch that. The aqueduct, the peeps. You see it? Come with me. Don't catch me, catch the aqueduct. That's what's important right now. But we can't find out if we cross the river. And I shows you a van. So Tafa say I test it. And Akeem I go second. Yeah man, people at the river are being, you see it? That catch back? Yeah. Beverly, you see that? Oh, sure. Right beside the gully. Right beside the gully. Tips right beside the gully. And two of them One supposed to be here, so I want the little bit up further.
Yeah, man, them in the right now that piece.
One day here, so I want the up little further on that side.
Them broke down now. You know, but see them here now, them broke down.
Okay, sir.
Hey, yeah, man, me I take time go down.
Yeah. Alright, sir.
Hey, do it.
Some peeps, what's the just to do? No, sir.
Peeps, almost 7 of them hit me, you know.
Jeez.
Now what's in the peeps? What's? One for them.
No. Jesus Christ. I tell you.
I went up for run, guy.
Peeps, I love the country. I can't just take up a mango and eat it. I don't have to wash it.
That. And then there. That. Mr.
Hey, bro, let's see how the pop.
No. Huh? Peeps. Now always here over here, so auntie, but I just believe it. These are the construction peeps. So we're inside of the building right now. So the building. So find it. So Akim, come on listen me.
Right, for Jack. Alright, you're focused on this now. Follow me. Yeah.
So guys, this here would have been the front of the building. I'm not sure what this building was, I think it was a residential slave building, but it's two of them. One was supposed to open at the bush, but to the way I see the land set, I'm not sure if we're going to find anything at all of it. Alright, but I'm still going to look. Now, if I'm not up in at the bush, then this would have been one, and the next one should have been down there. So the truck out there, so we'll just come off. So, yeah. I know, so I threw a kill. Follow me. So guys, that's the gully right there. So the two buildings them supposed to be on that side. Now that's one of them. Alright, I think the front of you is a graveyard still. I think I'm graveyard right the system. Alright. The place are different, you know.
Was?
Eh?
Just see two was fly out again.
Yeah, them are going to fly out, them are going. Let's try to look up to see them. Gaffer. What is street I tell you to do now? Catch him.
That's what look like.
Oh. Yo, them thing are history, no, bro.
Yeah, I see some wall in night, so I think so like, it's gonna be like a wolf or something.
You see anytime we find the first artifact, and you're going to make we find it. Because he's a man curious, you know. Yeah, peeps. So this right here looks like it was a grave or something. Alright, because that's the way they made graves back then. And pack up the stone them and all of that and use dirt as mortar.
What I know?
Around the building, right? So peeps, you know, this, them thing in the wall, this was actually a gate, you know, and something, you know. Horse used to go across here and them hole, you know. You know? Let me phone up here. I kind of get perspective on this. Yeah, peeps, so you notice them holes in the wall. Alright. So what I think is that this was some form of a gate or something, but you used to have board being stretched between both, you know. Yeah, it looked that way there. And that's the other one, peeps, because there is no further construction. I think this was a fort or something. I don't see nothing else with support right as away from front height, you know. But on the map, peeps, there were two houses. It could be two barracks, you know. Alright, follow you, Tafa. Blessings, peeps. Yes, so we got information from a property owner who has an ancient water wheel, a slave house, and a major part of an aqueduct on his property. Alright, so now we're going out to see that and get it documented. That is in a place called Monkland in St. Thomas. Alright, it's far, you know, peeps, and the thing is, no car now go up because the road bad, and then now it broke off. So yeah, that's where we're heading out to go. Guys, I'm there at my old house where I grew up. Yeah, that's where I'm starting this vlog. So we're setting out to see that. We're gonna see a water wheel, not in working condition but in pristine condition, a slave house that is still used for storage by the plantation owner, and the modern plantation owner, peeps, not the slave plantation owner. Alright, and a part of the aqueduct. So in the meantime, roll intro. Okay. Yeah guys, so walking on these steps, we're walking on history, yeah? Like serious history.
Hold on, video.
Hold on, family. Hold on, I cut your video a little bit. And so,
you know these constructions are old, peeps, so we have to take time and walk. Show them the floor actually.
This? Correct?
So guys, this would have been the balcony. They call it upstairs veranda back in the days. So I'm going to go walk on a curl over this street. Because I've never walked on this before. I'm not seeing through the flooring tips. Alright? So we're not able to go inside because, you know, a private property same way. We're not able to go inside, but at least we know how these houses normally look. And we know why we find such limited construction and can find these type of great houses, because most of them are built out of board. Alright, so I'll go back downstairs and see if we can get some more footage. Come on. Oh, yo! Yo! Are the water wheel up, yo? Peeps, are the water wheel up? I never see one yet in my life. We find a water wheel, we can actually see what it look like. We find a great house, and we know what it look like. So we find a water wheel, we know what it look like. I want to see. We can't take out the zinc, man.
yeah?
We can't take out the zinc. Oh, somebody nail the zinc to protect it from water.
No, the zinc. Near and find out about the zinc. I come across here over here.
Okay.
I told her about to carry the water to the wheel.
I can come here and show them. Yeah, peeps. This is the water wheel, peeps. It's a water wheel for real, yo. Show them down now. You think I go down in there? You think I go down there? Come here.
No, I don't know.
Go down in there. Look at that little bit. Peeps, so you see how this building of the stone wall? And the first water wheel we saw. The first water wheel we are finding up, peeps. And this in a good condition. We cannot stand up on it and I have to fret you so it have a block on it, but it now turn still. I wish we could have make it turn. So this used to generate the water, peeps. Yeah, man. So, yeah, peeps, we still want to see it from a different angle. Hold on. These are the one like this.
See it,
I'm going to turn it around and say, was it there? Another hole enough. Come across that. That's a seat.
It's a water
wheel, European construction. Them steel and all done. Here's one date with the panic on the side. One street. It's 1831 the panic. But we're growing this first. See if we what's around there. Around this.
bush that we are going.
Oh, you don't know what him? I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. You always have the water wheel beside the gully. We prove one more thing again, peeps. I told you this side could have helped us so much. Them always have the wheel beside the gully. So that's the water wheel, peeps. And right, Nicholas, scratch me something. Scratch me. Watch it. Come on, sir.
You lead it.
Something scratch me. How would you look at me?
That way.
Come go look up here, well, look what they up here, because this is the wall for the dam, you know. It's one little flood. How that one, brother? How what?
Nah, fly them.
Yeah, peeps. And you see the step them? You see the step them, peeps? Long time construction. The wall. Take me a picture of that. The wall. Today we're in a place called Danvers Pen, and we're going in search of the All-Ed Estate and Slave Plantation. Alright, there's a water wheel, a great house, and part of an aqueduct that's left. Alright, so in the meantime, watch the intro. This is part of an aqueduct, for real. So guys, we're going on the plantation. All-Ed, we're going, follow me. Yeah, peeps, it's like one of the easiest find. We already find the aqueduct. If you look behind me, that's all aqueduct going down there. Already one of the biggest and largest aqueducts we have ever found. So we'll follow it and see where it leads, because they say it lead to the plantation. Alright guys, so here's another part. More steps going deeper. Yeah, peeps. Them a service here where them service the aqueduct, is it? See what that?
Me don't know.
Peeps, we don't know what this will find enough. Like seriously. Look like part of one building. This look like some storage area or something. Didn't expect to find this.
A big structure behind it now.
A big structure behind it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, see it right there.
The aqueduct. The aqueduct.
That's another aqueduct. That's a building or something.
How are we going to reach on it?
Go through the bush.
Peeps, let's see if we can reach on it. Not slow. Kasha, what are this in a block?
Wait. Let me take it fast.
Come on, next side. Yep, please. Hold on, I can feel the front neck.
Bill. Hmm?
Yeah, peeps, we do it again, you know. Like we find all the estate and slave plantation. We find one of the house them, but it overgrown still no piece. So now I come so far, I'm not gonna look on the building them. Like come, follow me, peeps.
Take it wide for cut back in. Go on, so where you go. Alright.
Oh, the watermill, you know. That's the water wheel there. Have to be. So they're not gonna put no other building there, so just sit alone there, so I'm more building that over there, so
Yeah, that metal, man. Like I show you the building and then they through that bush. Oh, fence there, so.
Yeah, peeps. We find something this and that at the same building there, realize?
Yes.
See this block? I'll go down there. That's how I can stop me today, no peeps. It's a part of one house. Yeah, peeps, so this will look like a part of a house. The Makaya go on bad still, no, bro. Makaya go on bad. Yeah, so you know what's the house. Look here, look here. Not far.
What that being?
Yeah, guys. So you know, so this seem as if we're there on the second level of the house. Like out there, so the road is much lower, you know. The part of the house, look like an upper level, you know. Like something we just built over the house, because it's a big, it's a big house, you know. See a piece of construction here, so we'll see him when we go cross. Yeah, man, look down this. More that down this.
Look so.
Yeah, peeps. So our next piece of structure over here, so I check it out. But we still like to see a wall settlement down there, so we're not sure. But I check out this first. Alright, let's see that sneak peek. Alright, so follow me, peeps. This is another piece of a structure, guys. Wall it, you know. You know, see the place where I look for the great house this one, you know. Peeps, it seems as if we're actually in the great house at the moment. That's why I'm testing the piece of the house, just some piece at the front of the house now. I'll show you something. There's other construction over here, guys. Just here. Alright, so yeah. Peeps, I'm not sure what is out there, but I'm have a look at it. That looks like some concrete thing. Leave a bit, no?
This is very small. Make a good on me and look good. Yeah, see. This way look fine. What this way look fine, so? What this way? Wow, we look fine.
The piece of building that we see up there, so.
That's how big it be? No man, and look. See a little structure there when I show you now. That is a little structure behind us now. What this big piece is sitting here?
Yes, better than me.
Go so. Look, take that side. Take this side. Take this side between you. Look. Take one between you. So.
Start, yeah.
Okay then. So, look.
Aqueduct. I'll go up there. At least that looks you know. You think no, I see that, but we'll go up there. The aqueduct. Construction, this, you know. Peeps, more construction right here. I'm standing on. So the aqueduct stop up there, so. The water mill there, there's one place is a water mill. The house is down there, so bro. The house is down there, so. So peeps, in this location that we are at, this was where the water mill was. Alright, so the water wheel would have been somewhere here. Alright, this is a spillway coming down from the aqueduct. The aqueduct stop up there. I see if I can reach further up. Here, sir?
Huh? Yeah man, you can reach up it, yes.
It's here again, more construction right here. Alright, so this was definitely where the water mill was, because they wouldn't have built the aqueduct. They wouldn't have built the aqueduct coming down into their house. It's top of the mill, so the houses would be more likely down there. Alright, so we'll go down further after we get this. I'm gonna show you guys this here. Follow me. Yeah guys, this is really huge. This is one of our biggest finds so far.
Original height of the aqueduct now.
Yeah peeps, this seems to be the original height of the aqueduct. Alright, really one. So yeah guys, this seems to have been the aqueduct. Now look up here, sir.
I see something to that.
Yeah guys, so if you notice guys, this is the height of the aqueduct. Very high peeps. Yeah. This is a piece of construction up there, see that? Alright. So maybe we can do up all the house and the desk still in there, is it? Because we have to hold for construction. Look guys, more construction here. But the thing is, the construction we're looking for, it was down in the plains. So I think it is down there, not up here. Alright. Come and look right there, so follow me. See more construction guys right here. Alright, this is a part of the aqueduct here.
Looks here.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yo, them the action on my check me one. Touch me here. This one on the right. So peeps, we reached the great house. This is the great house. So I tell you so the aqueduct done up this and then the great house on here, sir. So peeps, this is actually the great house we reach now. Alright guys, so let me show you this. So we have 3 more houses going down the line. Thank you, dad. Peeps, you know what say? Yeah, if anybody tell me say if we walk through the bush you wouldn't find this, you know? Peeps, so that's part of the great house right there. Is it struck down there, sir? So the river wash all of them in the peeps, because if you notice the pic that I showed you, it was actually built on the river edge. So the river wash where a lot of the building, you know, like I think a couple of the houses were washed away. So this is the great house, guys.
How them maybe?
What?
I'm sitting there.
What them there you see?
Them balls sitting there on the tree.
I don't know. Peeps. We don't know what you're talking about there. This is the construction of the great house. So, yeah peeps. Yeah guys, so this is the structure right here. This looks as if it was front columns. Alright, going up there. There's another wall up there. Then we have, this is also another part of the house. Peeps, so they're way in a bush in one. Now, guys, that's one of the larger walls of this house because it was a really big house. Alright, peeps, this was a humongous house. Had a little flat this way than the depot, you know. Remember the picture I show you? Oh, yeah peeps, this is a part of the house. I know why I didn't say one room that's still there, is it? Alright, so look at structure up in this way now. On gate? Yeah. Where? Right. Come go look.
See the gate right there, sir.
Look so. Look at how past your gate. At the road down this one. You hear something?
No, yeah, man, something like to move it.
At the road out there, sir. Come walk around there, sir. Yeah guys, that's another wall right there. That's another wall right there up there. What that down there, sir? River that we still have to pan down there, sir? Yeah. We have to go down further, man. Either go down or go across because this is the great house, so the rest of the house down there, so like the slave quarters. Blessings guys, so today we're in a place called Old Harbour and we're going in search of the Callback Castle. Some of my biggest finds, you know. Speaking about big finds that we have found, this is one of my biggest find peeps. Like me not even bother want to show now, I'm alone to see this. But anyway guys, let us proceed. I want to show you all of this. Alright, so now follow me. There's the entrance. That's part of the structure. And you know, look on that now, that's the great house guys. Yeah, peeps, that's the great house. Yeah, man, over there we are go. The Callback Castle Plantation Great House. It's a castle, peeps. Y'all seen it built like a castle, yeah? And then we have a next piece up there, so look like a chapel, and we'll go up this also. Alright, so over there we are go, peeps. Peeps, so follow me. Now look on that building here, because before me look at the castle, like I want to show you this. The castle have to leave for last. But now show you that until we finish. And rest, see, there's a chapel also. Guys, this is our biggest find, our largest find. Alright? Our most realistic find. Covered now under who them really iron and nothing away from one another. Guys, guys, this is one of our most amazing finds. Look there. Here, you see this castle at a wall, you know. You know, guys, this castle had a wall, so there were entrances from the castle grounds to get out instead of using the gates, because it was also built to protect the plantation that was here. Alright, as I told you, there was information on screen about this whole area, so most likely you understand already. So this, guys, this is another tunnel here, a very small one, but it was much deeper because this had eroded. Alright, so that's why the ground gets so high. You know, the buildings, them always get lower over the period of time, and this has been here centuries, so that's another tunnel right here. This is the entrance here. So now this is the entrance, and guys, look at this. Y'all remember the building we found? Y'all remember the building we found over in Palmetto Springs? Arled, not Palmetto Spring, Arled. It was just the same as this. It was a round building just the same as this, and I'm not sure what these buildings were used for. I think like a storage of grain. You understand? Because the round top make them not have no dew on them thing that come down on the grain. Guys, not teaching us something. The round top make them not have no dew. It's not sweat. Alright? So I think that's what this was used for. But you're gonna way up there, so peeps, and I don't know if I go up there. But let me see still. I'll show you what I'm going up there, so. Oh, the camera see much better. Yeah, guys, this is how in here look, and it's a round building, as you notice there, right there was blocked up. Alright, so I'm not sure what this was used for, but yeah, very large building indeed. And that's the back, that's the wall going around here, peeps. Alright, so the castle was built, there's a wall built around the castle. Yeah, so let us move on. Let us go look at the castle now. I'm showing you that, peeps, on the chapel. Yeah, man, you know, follow me. What up? Hey guys, so alright, I really want to thank you all for watching the videos. Thank you for the time you spend out a day for watching videos. Is it really appreciate it, and I promise to always give you quality content for the time you spend watching these videos. Thank you all for your donations and all of that. Remember Elite Jamaica charity event. When you hear me have chat, I'm excited. Elite Jamaica charity event is coming up on April the 4th. Alright, and we will be treating the homeless of Portland. Okay, so yeah, that we are dealing with now. Peeps, me like shut up fire down there, so I don't know how I'm going. Alright, so I'm kind of nervous right now. As you know, hear that a while ago, don't? Like my heart a beat fast now. But anyway, I have to show you all of this. Yeah? So the building we were looking at just now, guys, this is the back of the building we were looking at. Yeah? This is the back of the building up top. And I think there should be an entrance here. Yeah, there's a step there, guys, going down into this building, because as I told you, this was a wall around the castle. You know, you can picture a castle. The castle is built with a wall around it, so therefore there's always a road, there's always a gate to get out, there are always emergency exits, so to speak. So this was one of those, and if you notice, this seems to have been a hidden exit, because there's no structure, just the steps going down. Alright, and this goes right down into the thing that's shaped like a tunnel. Yeah, so now we move along. Let me show you this sign here, guys. Let me just take a quick pic. Callback Castle. Alright, that's the history of Callback Castle, peeps. Alright, so now we're gonna be moving over to this building over here. Now this seems to have been another building where you can actually walk through to get out of the castle grounds. Trust me guys, it's an amazing footage. Like see there no peeps, but we are going there shortly. Yeah man, I'm gonna show you guys this building right here. I don't know if I shot a fire down there, but I kinda get timid a while ago, yeah? Because Mr. JPS man I work good on truck and still me hear things like shot a fire. You know, what I'm something there. Alright guys, so this is the other building. Yeah, may I try to figure out what this was. Hey guys, this is the other building. And the reason why I said this, I think this was a chapel, is because of the way it was built. I think this building was actually a chapel. Alright? Just me telling you about them flowers here. Them can't dead. These can grow to like hundreds of years old. Maybe 1,000 years old. These flowers, I can guarantee you guys that these flowers were actually here from the castle was actually up and running. Alright, if you notice them, they're all over the castle grounds. These are flowers that they use to decorate these buildings. We found one type up in Island Head, and now this is another type right here. They are basically the same thing. You know, hear them sound? They are like plastic. Alright, so we'll move along, guys. So see here now guys, as I told you, these buildings had underground exits. You have to go down to get out of the castle grounds because up the wall was around the castle. So this is another exit right here, and it seems to be have been a wider exit where you actually like them would have take things down and stuff like that. Go move on peeps. Now this seems to have been a room of some sort, I'm not sure, but that's a chimney over there guys. That's a fireplace over there. And there's another fireplace here. I'm not sure why this place has so many fireplaces. The kitchen area was up there. The kitchen area was up there, as you can notice. Yeah. Here seems to have been another fireplace while one was up there also. This seems to have been some form of a kitchen. You know, those fireplaces seems to have been places where they cook. You know, these holes, I'm not sure what these are for, but most likely these holes guys, these holes were the very same to get out of castle grounds instead of going through the gates just in case of an attack. Alright, these windows were much higher back in the days because the buildings they always go down, as you know guys. But this fireplace, we can't understand why the building of, and this is not a okay guys, this one carry past, I'm not really like when people say this was not a chimney guys. Alright, come here with the camera. This was not a chimney, this was a fireplace, most likely an oven, because if you notice there is no exit point for smoke. This was an oven guys. So that over there was an oven, and then we have them too. That seems to have been a kitchen area, so this was actually the kitchen area guys, it seems. Seems like this was where the person that lived there got their food. This was the kitchen area, and it couldn't have been anything other than a kitchen area because that's the oven right here, one right here. And let me show you this one guys, this is actually a tree one. And another thing, there is underground, alright? Look guys, you notice there is underground. There's actually something like a tunnel underground, yeah? So as I told you, these buildings were actually higher, so they have, because of erosion, they actually got lower. So this right here could have been another compartment underground, another floor. So actually, I think we're on a top floor of the first floor. We're on the roof of the top of the first floor. As I told you, the walls were higher. Alright, so this is the next thing why I said it was a kitchen. If you notice, it's 2 ovens. Alright, could have been 3 also. Okay, but they are broken down. This was 2 ovens right here. So the ovens, this seems to have been the kitchen area, and those windows were serving areas all around where persons could collect their food. Alright, so let me move on. Now, I'm going to show you another outer building before we enter the castle grounds, alright? Yeah guys, so as I'm going to show you again these same flowers. They're actually out here also. So them flowers are peeps, can't dead. Alright, come here, me never had shown but I need to show this. Look at the construction at the castle peeps. That's right through the castle you're looking. Alright, Yeah, we're soon going there anyway. Yeah, peeps. So them floors are can't them. Let's see how they there. Yeah, guys. Not sure what was here. So the floors them again, guys. I can guarantee you that these were here for 100 of years. You know. Yeah, man. These were here for hundreds of years, guys. Yeah. All right. Let's see again. All right. Now let me show you this, guys. Come and take a look at this. You see, this castle has undergrounds that we haven't. Oh, and then we see it on the wall out there, so. The undergrounds. This is what I'm standing on, guys. The roof of the tunnel that's under here. And there's the other one over here, guys. Those are the ones that we saw. These are the ones that we saw out front when we were coming in. Maybe I'll put that back a screenshot on screen for you guys to see. But it seems like these are run right underground, but straight across. Because it seems as if they would have been connected to the other building. And these tunnels, guys, were built just in case of an attack, you know. Yeah, this is one, that's one. I'm gonna show you the entrances over there, guys, and seems like it connected the other building and then where they could go down to get out through the back. Alright. Here we have more tunnels. Here's another tunnel. Step across, don't walk on this. Here's another tunnel, guys, and if you notice, I was actually right. It's a tunnel under there. That is why it have the little belly. And if you look there, there's an entrance down there where you can come out through. I don't know how far the next side go. Now stretch the camera down there. You know, I'm not sure what's down there, but me see it when I edit. Yeah. So yeah, guys, and there is another tunnel over here, just the very same. And this one seemed to have run adjacent to how the next one run. There it is down there. It's another tunnel. You know, I'm not gonna go into these tunnels, guys, just for safety reasons, and yeah, I'm not get a chance to go in there. But guys, let's move on. Yeah, peeps, so we're gonna look at this third building. If you notice, the castle was built with 1, 2, 3, 4 buildings. And the 4 corners of the castle were buildings. All right, so these buildings, it seems to have been for like guard post, or I'm not sure, but one of them for real, one of them for sure was what do you call it? A canteen, alright, where they actually cooked. You understand? That's the one around there. And so the floors them there again, guys. These floors can't die. Yeah? Now let's take a look at this building and see what was here. Tunnels actually, because the ones that we see running this way, guys, they actually run and come into this building. We can guarantee that. We can bet you know I'm winning that. Seems to have been a grave right there. Remember, look on that. Because if someone is buried on castle grounds right in front of the castle, most likely the person would own it. Alright, let's look from the inside. Look on the one first. Okay, guys, total different type of buildings here. I'm not seeing evidence of a tunnel underneath the building. But this, guys, I'm not sure what this building was. Honestly, I can't tell you. I don't have an idea as to what this building was. And I'm not seeing evidence of any tunnels. But these buildings surrounding the castle were all built, I think, for protection purposes. Yeah? This one, you can notice that it had both floors. It was actually lower. It had flooring. Yeah, but the flooring has disappeared. Yeah, guys, so I'm not sure what this one was used for. Could be the entrance because it was at the entrance, you know. I'm not sure. Alright, so now we move to the castle. Alright, okay. I'm not sure that is, guys, but it seemed like that a step going down underground, or there was another building right here. Alright, but I'm not sure. That looked like a step. I thought it was a grave. What I don't understand, guys, it seems that they have both flooded because there's no way, there's no steps, alright? no steps here. So I don't understand why we would be down here and you know. But yeah, peeps, we're in a Callback castle. Just follow me. Yeah, peeps, this is the castle from the inside. Going up and up. You see that, peeps? That's 1, 2, 3. 3 stories. Alright, and that's the back of the castle over there, guys. Yeah, I'll go over this one. Walk on. Here's the main entrance, guys. Another main entrance. We start get the same idea where I always get peeps. You know that. This castle seems to have been burnt. I'm not sure. I'm gonna get the history, but this castle seems to have been burnt to the ground down. So it seemed that another step was here to get upstairs because there is all the way up there. Yeah, all the way up there, peeps. And I see a lot of it has been broken. If you look over there, you know, it has been broken off. Yeah, guys, let me show you around here. Hey guys, let me take a look inside here. So you see how them build them place up, so you have to get breeze in the house because you notice the wind, they build it so that the wind will always be blowing inside of the house, and that is one of the things we spoke about. Alright, they built it so that they had, it's like air conditioned, they always had cool air. Yeah? Look again, guys, all the way up here. This is indeed a castle, peeps. Nothing less than a castle. Alright, that's where the second floor was right there, and then you have all the way up there. Yeah, that's another doorway up there to come out onto the second floor. And I notice it line up. Yeah, so this is nothing less than a castle. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, guys, so this is another room. And then, you know, again, all the way up there, this is a very large building, a very large house, peeps. You see me, I one of our biggest fan, the greatest fan. I don't know if I haunted the place, haunted me either at me, or if I excited too much for me that right now, guys. But yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. Yeah? Yeah, man. This is another room right here. You notice they had these circular lookouts. Guys, like, this is crazy, yo. This is our greatest find. And guys, you notice brick and stone going all the way up to Zion. Yeah? I know. So let me see where we haven't been. Let me see where we haven't been. Alright guys, so this is the house, guys. Real. So today we're heading out to a place called Gabranal. Really far place, but you know it's a bonus vlog, it's a bonus St. Thomas vlog, so we just have to go. We have to make it, and you know, I want you guys to have the same experience that I have. Alright? You know there's a far up in the book now, is it?
What do you mean by?
This is something?
I mean, keep down this in the dog.
Don't keep it. You're up on camera.
Sorry about that, peeps. Yo, move this, we find peeps. Oh, fine, oh, for fine,
Yeah,
peeps,
it's so
come
excited
show
for-
no peeps. Of course, me excited, peeps, eh? And I believe me really with that excited for carry something come show. Peeps, you know, far me I walk from for find this. Hello, Alex, please can just have this Blavor charger from I do not want it job because
What that? That sounds serious. Hold this, no? Come up over this, hold this. Hold it.
yeah, me no wonder.
Water wheel. Water wheel.
Yeah, peeps. So water wheel, you know.
Yeah, peeps. As we all know from the water wheel in Monkland, this is where the water wheel was. Yeah. Yeah, true enough.
Stand up.
Huh? This is where the water wheel was, peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. Oh, at the back of the building there, nothing. So, guys, now that we have found this, I can let you all know that Gabranal was a sugar plantation, peeps, and they did also marble and I think slate. Keep your eye them on still, nothing. Marble and slate up in the hills. I don't know if them used to do the pine, but I know them do lumber too. So I guess this was the house. They had a water wheel right there. So I guess it was intact, as in the fact that they just lived there when work was going on. But I try showing the back of the building.
Yeah, man, see it then. That hole in it. Man, see it there.
I'll show it there.
See it up on the wall.
You want to touch that, you know? Go up close and show them. You feel me? I bring it home now. See, sir? So this is the Gabranal estate, peeps. Now circle it as much as we're gone. When I get myself around this room, I can't move fast enough in our feet. And this one I can't move it fast enough. Go on. So peeps, this is the Gabranal estate from the back. And I'm showing you the front right now. I tell them, not even the fear kind of subside because I'm more excited than scared right now. Yeah, I'm showing you the front. Cut. Yeah, peeps.
More things though over
I get
here.
a building here, a wide circle. More things over here?
Yeah,
Oh, Jesus.
you see more things, peeps. I have a lot for sure.
No! You don't even want to make my eyes. Peeps.
This plantation was big,
It's
peeps.
a whole complex to find, peeps. Now I get afraid again.
Peeps, come here, peeps. Watch
Yo,
out. Look
yo.
out there, sir.
What that?
Look there. It's our next big building. There.
Don't frighten me so down.
Look up there, sir.
Hold on, I can show them for us.
Peeps.
Yo, do the walk around, dog. You do the walk around, me video. You do the walk around, me video. Hold on. Right now I'm afraid, dog. I'm gonna hear the building. Me video and watch, dog. Yeah, peeps. So, these are the building, peeps. So the next side, right? Yeah. It's a whole complex. Because the map said 2 buildings on the side and side, no, but this is not 2 buildings, this is like 15 buildings. I'm just excited, peeps. So this is the Gabranal estate. It is really huge. It is big. This I'm not even ready to go up this yet, you know. Get a step that? Where? Oh yeah. Right there was the step for real. The entrance to go inside. You go inside?
No.
Why?
No.
You're not doing it. You're afraid of inside, yo?
Yeah. I'm not really sure, you know.
Peeps, the inside of the building.
As you can see, them did use brick and stone.
Brick and stone.
Together.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where the cow get mad? The cow they sound like a 5 I'm out there. Yeah, peeps, this is the back. We don't have to go so far now.
No, I'm sure them.
Oh, the whole complex.
Yeah.
So peeps, it's a perfect walk around, you know.
I just needed to do something from it.
Perfect walk around, yo. Big part of the building, you know.
Do something for me now. You know what to do, Alex.
Yeah.
As you
So
can see, I was built and then used stone.
yeah, this was built and was being used same like the Paul Bogle Memorial, the Paul Bogle Jail, and like they had refurbished it further on up in the year when brick was used. So you know, so this was used for a long time. And these were the workhouses, I guess. One entrance down and a higher level right there. This is just one of the complexes, peeps. So we are doing next walk on. Walk back as we walk on.
No, show them back on. Right here.
So peeps, we are go back through this. So this is the side wall, the back wall of the complex. We are go up at the next 2 buildings. I don't know why the crowd are going so. Yeah, peeps, this was a great complex, a large complex. I'm really glad this is the bonus film. This is the bonus vlog for St. Thomas because this seems like the biggest find. And because this to me look like the biggest find. And then we have like 3 more up there. So let's go, peeps. We now listen to him now.
Yeah, peeps. We are headed on every journey. Hold on. Plug in. You feel scared or at the cow cast that any?
Cow, man, I tell you. The peeps. This is the next side. So we're taking.
Yeah.
This is the next side of the building. It's at the back of the second building. Right here.
Can you see piece like this thing? Right here.
So I'm post like them have post in
yeah,
the
column.
Yeah, column.
And for them real big massive tree that they grow. You must know say have years.
Guys, right now, I'm speechless, you know. I don't know what else to say. This is a massive find. Now I'm gonna be looking if I can even find artifacts, anything interesting. I keep my eye peeled for that.
Yeah, this will be a kashamaka.
You know what's that workhouse then?
Yeah. Be a kashamaka that there right there, sir.
So guys, I think these were workhouses, peeps. That door right.
Peeps, if you want to say anything, you can tell it too.
Stop my move.
Yeah.
Peeps, that are the second house. This are the second workhouse of the Gabranal estate.
But this look like it was huge.
Big.
This second one, peeps, look like it was huge because it bigger than the first one that we just showed.
We'll go over this one. Anything over there, to see over there.
Alright, so peeps, you know.
Remember that powder can come through the bush in here.
Yeah. But right
So,
here, what was right here? This is a trench.
A trench. A water trench. Then used to do something in this, you know. Hear them cow down them so. Peeps, I think I have to go closer.
Peeps, over the inside.
This is inside of where our forefathers used to work as slaves. So I'm not afraid to come in them building here again and I swear. I still can't figure out what this trench was all about. I think it was a spillway that ran down through here. It went into the next building, down to the waterway.
Real.
You know?
Okay.
That's what I think happened. The spillway they used to push back water up somewhere. But this seems like a spillway. Yeah? So guys, I think more we able to find out what exactly they did in the second house, because Gabranal has information on, well, I don't know if I have information on the internet, but from my sources I think I will be able to get information about this place, the Gabranal estate. And this is a really great find. I don't know what this still is, but it looks to me like a spillway that was connected through the next building straight down to the waterway. And if I not lie, peeps, I think we are going to see a next trench just like this in the next building right up here, sir.
All I can say, inside is very huge. See, the next section. This look like right here was a room or something. Also the column them there.
Yep, this looks like it was the front room. Like there was an entrance there. Then the front room. Oh, I know it's a spillway between us because the water still around there. This was the entrance coming in. This was a front room. If it was a dwelling area, I don't think it would make for dwelling. I think it was made for work because we still have one little gully thing right here, sir. We still have water here. And echo.
Yeah.
Peeps, I don't know where the water come from still, but it come from somewhere underground. And there it goes running out. So look on the concrete right there, sir. You see that concrete, huh?
Yeah, I see it.
The piece of concrete, peeps, you can see that was really made as a barrier to this trench right here. So we'll go over the next building. You see what is over there. So guys, I really do think that inside there, that trench, I think it was a spillway for the waterway. Alright? So we're moving on.
Come on, right here.
Over there, sinking water.
So we're heading back out right now. It's excited, it's a great find.
Let's see some construction tips. Now the way they build these things, you know, them build them to last, you know, man. Them build them so them can't mash down, you know. And, oh God, man. Now this make me hurt me. I don't know what this. This is stronger than all of the other building them, you know.
Yeah.
This is slave master's quarters, you know. Or, oh, you kind of can tell you how. Look, you get a closer look at it. You know, while ago where though? While ago where?
Yeah, peeps.
You have a slave master's quarters this night, huh? Just another building. But I think this had something to do with the water. I feel like I in the spring there.
Yeah, big. There is hole right there. I don't know what this hole is for, but it's a hole. And piece more construction right here. So
Spring will come off of this.
yeah, spring will come off of hill, peeps.
Marble. Dog. You know what this? You know what this? Look at what this now. You know what this?
Marble.
No. Marble up here still, you know.
Yeah.
You know that.
Yeah. But yeah, so it looks huge. Look over there. That's piece more construction over
Guys, this is a huge find. Well, the underground, you know, I'm telling you, every time I talk, me echo, you know, right down the set, you know.
there. Peeps.
You hear it, though?
Yeah.
Right down in the middle,
It's
that's
a
it.
huge find. Piece of piece more construction there.
Peeps,
And
this is a really
piece
great
more
find.
right there. Alright. The spring look like it a come from off of the hill, peeps.
Right up on the middle.
Yeah,
So
see
it's
there?
just a run down. Them say the slate used to come down in the water, you know. No,
So,
Akeem.
huh?
You know something more
Piece
over
more construction over here, so
there.
I
You know
could check
something
out
more
that.
over there from the
And I really don't know this piece.
Peeps, this is a really great find. That's all I can say, and it's not an aqueduct. Yeah, this is an aqueduct.
Yeah.
So that down there so, was like a tank, like a dam. So peeps, that building down here was used for water storage like a tank. See the aqueduct here? That's the water this can drink in our tea.
Yeah.
You never know that?
Yeah.
You never know that, man. Water catchment.
See water catchment.
Have a look at it.
Now what is this right here, sir?
What?
This piece of construction here.
Like on a well.
This
Yeah.
is a well. Alright, so this is the aqueduct. Okay, so peeps, I know say first me ever get to sip on top on aqueduct. Well, see all top of it. That's inside. The right up. I'm coming. Yeah. But you know, them are some small arch. It's not like the one them out by Mount Evans. Them one is small. Alright. So, you want to drink some of my water? Wild out. Yeah, me tell you from earlier and say, me see one little mud part where them need a dig up.
Guys, this
Yeah.
is a really great find. I'm not even, I'm not going to say I don't want to leave. Next time I say that I can't find my way. But guys, this is a great find. It's the great, one of our greatest finds. It's a water in a piece of I can't drink no banana cup. So we find a spring. A natural spring, mineral spring water. See the footprint them?
So,
So actually, let me show you a top of an aqueduct.
you see it?
So a top of an aqueduct. Guys,
I me.
oh, you tell them already?
Yeah, me tell them and show them
Is a
too.
wall that out there, sir?
No, bush.
Guys, this is all the top of an aqueduct. It's a gutter. The water run inside here, up on top of the aqueduct. Alright, so now go back down this and show them. Don't show them from down this so them can get a better angle. Because rock will wrap up right up after you see? Yeah, I never want to left and drink some of the water, you know. So you know, guys, if we should ever come here, I think we should have back up that so that if we ever come here, it just become like a spring where we can get water for drink. But guys, if we should ever come here, that's natural spring water right there. You make that sound of a snake.
Come here. Ants.
Okay.
Really, you have to video me when the ants them a bite me.
Yeah.
Alright.
So guys, show you the other side. No, it's no construction over the place.
Yeah, no. Maka.
So guys, this is the other side of the aqueduct. So as far as we can see here guys, this get full up. The river look like it do something bad or the water from up above. But this is really high up on an aqueduct. Alright? Yeah man, so actually take one picture of me. Take two pictures of me. Yeah guys, so this is how an aqueduct normally look. Alright, so yeah, take some picture of it again. So guys, that's how I came to the conclusion that this first building that the water was running through, may I say it have something to do with water. This building seems to have been a tank. It had a tank there, or a water mill, a well, or it had a water wheel also. I'm really thinking so a water wheel did not push the water because the spillway is there going down through the next building, straight down to the water wheel. Alright, so I think they used two. Maybe one for generate the water go down and the next one as for generate electricity or something like that because it was a workhouse. But this is a really great find peeps, and I'm happy I've left this for the last St. Thomas vlog. Well, I never left it for the last vlog, it's a bonus vlog. So yeah, I'm going to see if we can walk around next and try to find a way out. Guys, please don't leave, you know. Don't leave until we get out of this place. Because you're actually tell them, I'm not even sure if you know how to walk from the foot. What is mushroom, you know? I know mushroom. A mushroom. Peeps, mushroom. Dumpy food, you know? So that's the next side of the building, guys. Alright, Mr. Cashew. We other place are big enough here, look, bro. Because the place is really large.
Can't cut no, bro.
No. Cut it. Yeah, peeps, so this This here, guys, was a spillway. And here we go on. I bet you know, Aki. I can bet you say, if I stamp my foot, right up I will stand up hollow.
Bet.
You hear that? Peeps, that was a spillway. Aqueduct. The water run through the building up there, so when it reached right there, come underground, went into the spillway around. It went into the spillway down here and went down to the other water wheel. Alright, so it was a workhouse. I'm not sure why they had the spillway here, if them they really have use for it, or if it was just here, you know, but yeah, that was the situation. The aqueduct, water wheel inside of building up there with spring coming through it. Gully right here, water went underground, coming down, right where we stand up. I bet Akima win as a notice, right as a hollow, run underground, into the spillway down there, down to the water wheel. Whatever they did, that I can't tell you, but it was a workhouse. So guys, thank you all for joining me. It has been a pleasure, so much of a pleasure for you all to be here finding this with me. And I'm not even thinking about the journey to go back home yet, because that's not normal. But yeah guys, a really great find, one of the biggest one. Can I give them a circle round when we reach down back down the circle. I'm going to turn on music anyway, so that's going to show them the background until the rest of the building. Is it? Definitely like that. Okay, so this is what they call it. Not a work place or something like that, as somebody say. It was called a works yard. That's what they call it, where the slaves came to be checked off so them can get in a work. A works yard. So as I told you, they did cane, they did lumber, and I'm not sure what else, but I never just that. So guys, yeah man, come on, the fellow will come out of here.
Another sir. Oh yeah. Mushroom.
How you do mushroom forget eye? That's all? I'm just kidding. Peeps, this is a mushroom, this can't eat, you know. You can cut up this and curry it now. You want it? Put in my bag.
No.
Put in my bag?
No.
You want me to see somebody in a blue a while ago? The wickedest thing now, peeps. Little bit more to turn back on me, well ready, and say, oh, them not so far, I can't so far from the river. Come see a team look and say, yeah, see it there. But now the cow. This is a wee part of the cow that my dad. Yeah guys, so this is where the water came back. Next water wheel right there. You know? After that, I'm not sure what happened or where it happened. I know say one of the greatest finds. Guys, I thank you all for motivating me to go on these journeys, because trust me, if you never motivate me or if you never motivate me for the live show this morning, I wouldn't reach. But we found it. The Gabranal Estate and Works Yard. You know what?